welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we have a new box to the channel. It is the Slay Glam box. Look, it looks like a person.
I'm gonna say it. Can I say it? I'm gonna say it a lot of times.
Okay.
This is the first time. Slay.
Okay, so this is the box for August 2022. I know it's a little late, but I just signed up for this box. I canceled my BoxyCharm base box and decided to pick up a new box. So this is the one I chose. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. I do lots of makeup material on my channel. This is my husband, Aaron, by the way.
Hey.
We do subscription box unboxings. Sometimes I do a cooking video here and there. And sometimes I talk about mental health issues as well. If you are into any of that, or say you're into all of that, I would love it if you would hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So yeah, I'm excited about this. This was only like $24 a month compared to whatever
it was that BoxyCharm would cost.
Is now that ridiculous price it's at now. So I think this is an all makeup subscription box.
Now, just to be clear, now the idea is that you slay and you become glam, right? It's not that you slay the glam.
I don't know.
Well, that sounds kind of dangerous, you know.
Okay, and I think it is like all indie brand stuff, which I love. I love indie brand stuff. So the first thing we get is a Manicadar 5-piece brush set, which is awesome because I love brushes.
So explain why you have so many of them.
Yeah. So let's tear into this. Okay.
Slay it.
Slay.
Slay the packaging. That's where it comes in.
Tell them what our 13-year-old daughter always says.
Yas, queen, slay.
So they look like this.
What's the deal with that one?
This looks like an eyebrow brush right here. Look at the little animal print on it. It is so cute. And it has like a spoolie on one end and it looks like an eyebrow detail brush.
Why do they call it a spoolie?
I don't know. Looks like you got a little blending brush. Looks like this could be a highlighter brush.
And it's all got the animal print on it. So it's all like,
Some packing brushes.
right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So that is pretty awesome. I'll add those to my makeup cup. Okay, so I don't see that they give you like a card or anything to tell you about the products or their prices. So let's just keep
We'll just
going.
have to look at the packaging and just figure it out.
Well, I can't give you prices. So, okay, next thing we have is a lip liner pencil from Cara in the shade Darling.
Darling.
I'll probably pass this along. I don't really use lip liners.
Oh, darling.
But it's a cute little pinky shade. Again, that is what it looks like. Come on, focus. I don't have the best focus feature on my phone. And then from Medusa's makeup, oh, they have their own box.
It's not going to turn you to stone, is it?
We have the Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss.
Oh my. Na, 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 na. So extreme you can't even get it open.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Be careful with it, because that's not just sparkle, it's extreme sparkle. Do you see the sparkle? Is it extreme?
I don't see sparkles in it, but it does look kind of metallic, like a purple. Let me build it up here. Let's see if it's buildable. You can kind of build it up. It looks like a purple metallic color. Something cute.
Slay.
Something I would expect from Medusa's makeup. So that's cool. And then next we have the glowing palette, face palette from Okalan. Something you see a lot. I mean, from Okalan, that is. I mean, you see the brand Okalan a lot. And like, okay, cool, cool, cool.
Shimas. Those are big.
You've got some blushes, I think, and some highlighters. Let's see. It just has this on the back. It doesn't have any names or anything for the shades. I'm guessing these two are blushes and the rest of these are highlighters. It just has the glowing palette.
Face palette.
Face palette. And it says the Shimmers kit. These two aren't shimmery, so I'm guessing these two. What's wrong?
No, shimmery. Shimmer's kit. Those all be shimmery. Why is this another box full of lies?
I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not, so I'm not going to swatch it, but it's very pretty. I like that. We have two palettes in here. The other is from Gourmand Girls, called Saints, Angels, and Sinners.
Together.
Oh, it's called the Together palette. But then it says Saints, Angels, Sinners Cosmetics.
Yep.
It looks like this.
Two bangs.
And there's two bangs on it. I've heard of the Gourmand Girls. I don't have any of their palettes. This is what
Is that like Gilmore Girls?
I don't know.
Ooh.
Okay, cool.
Couples.
This kind of reminds me of
Famous
like
couples.
an Easter pennant.
Bert and Ernie, Tom and Jerry.
Oh yeah.
Thelma and Louise.
Bert and Ernie.
Calvin and Hobbes. SpongeBob and Patrick.
Says, I get by with a little help from my friends from the Beatles. That is pretty.
And there's John and Yoko there.
Okay, let's swatch some of these. I like. Let me clean off my hand here and look at some of these greens in the palette. Who's Darcy and Christina? There's Darcy and Christina. Here's Adam and Eve. And this is Abbott and Costello. Oh.
Very shiny.
There's some purples in here. We've got Fred and Ginger, Bonnie and Clyde, Sunny and Cher. Oh my gosh,
Wow.
Look at Sunny and Cher.
That's a shiny one there. Look at that shiny pigment. I just want to dig my finger in there and just rip it up.
Okay, let's see Tom and Jerry. Wow, these are... Oh, what is the SpongeBob and Patrick? Is that a glitter shade or is that a duochrome?
It's something. Ooh.
It looks like a topper shade, really.
Some shiny stuff going on here.
Okay, so what I'm guessing is that this is a palette that Gourmand Girls did with Saints, Angels, Sinners Cosmetics. And it is called the Together palette. So this is a pretty palette. It looks more like a spring kind of palette, but it has beautiful shimmers and nice looking mattes.
Slay! I haven't said it in a while.
So, okay, in this month, in August, Slay box, we got the palette, the eye palette here. We got the Okalon glowing palette. Here we got the Mana Kadar brushes here. That's 3. So, and we got the Cara lip pencil. That's 4. And we got the Medusa's
Extreme Sparkle.
Medusa's Makeup Disco, what's it called? Disco Queen lip gloss. So you get 5 things for $24. I can't remember if I paid for shipping and taxes, but I probably did at least pay for taxes. But yeah, I will leave a link to the Slay Glam box down in my description if you are interested in signing up. I will leave I use Just Anne's code for 10% off your first box. So you can use her code. There's probably somebody else's code out there as well. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check me out on my socials down below. I am on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And yeah, I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. Let me know what you thought of this box. And if you are not having that kind of day, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day today. If you are having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And
don't forget to slay.
And don't forget to slay.
Not like really slay anybody, but just, you know, in the metaphorical beauty fashion sense, slay.
And I will see you in a Mask Monday tomorrow. And, okay, I will see you then and stay well until then. Okay, all right, goodbye.